Welcome once again to the Russell Brown Show.
In this series of episodes, I'm capturing images in New Zealand. I'm going to show you tips and techniques for photographing with mobile devices. You'll learn how to capture it right, and then you'll learn how to process it right with Lightroom and Photoshop. Let's get going with this next episode.
I'm here on the Milford Sound. It's incredible. And I'm going to capture a 360 small planet here on board this ship. I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to capture it. Then I'm going to demonstrate how I'm going to easily transfer the images directly from the camera onto my iPad to process them, turn them into a small planet, and send them out into the world. Let's get going. Okay, here are the basics to getting a really great small planet on a moving boat. First of all, I have a really long selfie pole, I guess you could call it, to get it as high as possible. Next, I'm using the Ricoh Theta Z1. I'm in the automatic mode, but I'm going to set it to a -1 f-stop to hold these really great clouds. Then finally, this particular camera has the ability to add a timer. So all I do is tap on it, put it up into the sky, boom, 10 seconds later, I've got a really great shot. So those are the essentials to getting the shot. Let's go downstairs, below deck, and start to process them in Lightroom. Cool! We're now below deck. I have my Ricoh Theta Z1 here. I have a USB-C cable that's going directly from the Theta, and it's going to go right into my iPad, just like this. I have Lightroom open on my iPad. Boom! It's that simple. I say continue, and it will show me all of my images here. Then down here at the base, I'm going to import all of my images. It goes directly into Lightroom, and if I'm connected to the internet, they immediately start to go into the cloud and are saved. That's the coolest part. Let's take a look at an image that I just worked on here on my iPad. Wow! That's incredible. It's that fast and easy to capture it and then correct it, and then you can post it.
If you want to learn more about the Photoshop and Lightroom techniques that I used in this episode, be sure and go to russellbrown.com. You'll find all of the featured tutorials at that location.